This item from the Law Library's Rare Book Vault is a petition for writ of process in Sangamon County Circuit Court, Illinois, in the case of George M. Stockton versus James Tully. It was handwritten by a young lawyer named Abraham Lincoln in 1839. Abraham Lincoln signed this document, Stewart and Lincoln, Stewart as a reference to Abraham Lincoln's first law partner and Mary Todd Lincoln's cousin, John Todd Stewart. John Todd Stewart was born near Lexington, Kentucky, graduated from Centre College, and was admitted to the Illinois bar in 1828. Stewart met Abraham Lincoln during the Black Hawk War, in which both served as members of the militia. Stewart had a significant influence on the course of Lincoln's life by encouraging him to study law and lending him books to prepare for the bar. The two became law partners from 1837 to 1841. John Todd Stewart was a politician in his own right, having served in the Illinois House of Representatives and the U.S. House of Representatives as a Whig, and later as a Democrat during the Lincoln administration. Stewart found occasion to disagree with Lincoln politically, backing John Bell in the 1860 presidential election and opposing some of Lincoln's policies, including emancipation. Nevertheless, Stewart remained friends with Lincoln and was a frequent visitor to the White House. While Stewart and Lincoln's office was in Springfield, in the spring and fall, Lincoln had to ride circuit, which meant traveling hundreds of miles for court days held in rural central Illinois county seats. Like most lawyers of his day, Lincoln was a jack of all trades, arguing everything from contract and probate disputes to a small number of criminal cases. Lincoln even made an appearance before the United States Supreme Court in Lewis v. Lewis, a case that turned on a statute of limitations, but the bulk of his practice involved debt collection. Of the 5,000 known cases that involved Lincoln in some capacity, 2,600 were some form of debtor-creditor litigation. Lincoln had two law partners after his partnership with Stewart was dissolved in 1841. It has been said, before Lincoln departed Springfield for Washington in 1861, he pointed at the sign on his office and remarked to William Herndon, his last law partner, to "Let it hang there undisturbed. Give our clients to understand that the election of a president makes no change in the firm of Lincoln and Herndon. If I live, I'm coming back sometime, and then we'll go right on practicing law as if nothing had ever happened."